We're on the Unit 5 review, number 11, and we can do all of these with the calculator. It just says to evaluate. It doesn't say to rewrite or anything like that. So to evaluate, we just can punch in the calculator unless you know some of these in your head. The log of 100 should be 2 because it's asking you what exponent you put on 10 to make 100, and that would be 2. So 11a is 2. B, what exponent would you put on 8 to make 64? 2. And if you don't understand that or can't think through that in your head, then you can do the log of 64 base 8 on the old school calculator by doing the log of 64 divided by the log of 8, and you still get the right answer, 2. If you have a calculator with a newer operating system, you can actually go to log base, which is in the math menu, and you can put in the base yourself. In C, the log of 1 base 9, the log of 1 base anything is always 0. The log of 1 is always 0 because it's asking you what exponent do you put on the base to turn anything into 0. And to turn anything into 1, and the answer is 0. In D, E, and F, again, just use the calculator. It's asking you 10 to the what makes 86, and I don't know. So let's find the log of 86. It should be 1 point something. It's approximately 1.93. That makes sense because 86 is slightly smaller than 100. So the exponent on 10 to make 86 will be slightly smaller than 2. Next, we have the log of 39 base 7. And you can see that my worksheets are a bit dated because many of the numbers that I chose were based on former Steelers. And this is the log of Willie Parker divided by the log of Ben Roethlisberger. And you get 1.883. 11D was the log of Hines Ward. And this guy's still playing. The log of 43, he plays occasionally. He plays occasionally when he's not injured or doing dandruff commercials, and that is Troy Polamalu. So we have the log of 43 base itself is 1. So yeah, when you run out of numbers to use, you just use Steeler jersey numbers. Some of them are Penguin jerseys as well. None of them are based on Pirates because the Pirates stink.